Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Journey and I'm a realtor with Town in Charlottesville, Virginia. You can learn more about us by visiting our website at townseville.com. All right everyone, today we're doing something different. Today we are doing a shower hack. So you guys are getting dirty with me in my bathroom, in my shower, to clean the bottom of it. We're gonna be using this Mr. Clean magic eraser and also this easy off oven spray to try to get that black stuff off of the bottom. Right now my shower looks like this, but we're gonna try to get it sparkly clean using this stuff. So let's get started. So I'm basically going to take this easy off oven spray cleaner and spray it all along the bottom of the shower where like this black stuff is stained. And then we're going to wait for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and scrub it off with the magic eraser. So I'm just going to take this and put a good layer all over the bottom of the shower. Because it's basically just body oil that's sitting in the bottom of the shower over time. So hopefully this oven cleaner will help to remove it. All right, starting the 20-minute timer now. Hey everyone, so it's been about 20 minutes. I really hope this works. If it does, this is gonna be a good shower cleaning hack for people who are already homeowners. If you wanna sell your house, no one wants to look in the shower and see a dirty floor. So this is a good tip to do right before you put your home on the market. All right, let's see if this worked. I'm just gonna take the magic eraser and get to scrubbing. Ooh, it's coming off. All right guys, check this out. This is my final product. I'm really happy about this. I've been trying to clean this shower literally for 2 years. Bleach, Lysol, Brillo pads, nothing could get this up. I did have to scrub it and then spray it again and let it sit for an additional 20 minutes and come back and scrub it again. But I mean, look at it. It still has some work to do. It's not perfect, but I mean, it looks so much better than what it was. I've been struggling with cleaning and scrubbing the shower for forever. So this shower hack definitely works. It's just easy off oven cleaner and magic erasers.